YouTube, don't be rude. It's your girl Faith, and I am back with another video. So I'm like, I bet y'all like, what is she doing today? So today I'll be eating again in my pajamas in the car. But yes, I'm finna give me something to eat. And no, I do not eat out every day. I just do it for these videos, like once or twice a week. But probably like once now that I'm exercising. But hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and join the EXO gang. So at first I didn't know what I wanted to eat, but today I'm just gonna go to McDonald's, I guess, because I don't want to go too far, and plus I want Starbucks. I tried that drink that I told y'all, like the strawberry refresher. So yes, I'm getting another one. Though it was a large bag. So yeah, that's where I'm going. I'm on the way to Starbucks. Y'all, I'm so happy that my subscribers going up. I know it's not a lot, it's like 1 or 2 a day, but I mean, like, that adds up. And it's making me happy because I'm just like, I'm doing it by myself, so it makes me happy. Pat on the back. So thank you guys, love you. I'll see you guys when I get there.
She wanna fuck on me, but I don't got the time. Just hopped off a private plane and went and hopped on 85. Go cut my chauffeur bus. Let's get on the jet. Yeah, give me some.
So I'm in Starbucks now. I'm trying to put a mask on before I went around there, because if I did, I forget to put it on there. Oh my god, why is Bunny in the way?
Do you need the flexibility to take classes from your schedule? Do you have college credits to transfer? Do you want to?
Let's go. Let's go. Kind of put mine, so let's just wait. Oh, they got an ice peach green tea. That sounds kind of good. I'm gonna stick to what I said I was doing from here. When I try some more drinks, yeah, I'm trying like. That looks good. Oh goodness. No cake pops be so good too. But I can't eat that. I'm already eating that today.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. This is Maya. What can we get started for you?
Can I get a large strawberry refresher, and can I add lemonade to it?
Just 1 second. You said you wanted a large one?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
That's it.
Your total will be at the window.
Okay, thank you. She didn't say something. So there's some people in front of me. I'll see you at the window. Well, I just let you sit over there. Yeah. I guess I'll see you at the window. It'll be easier for me to edit. So while I waited, what I was gonna say was, this time I added lemonade to it because my brother said, well, I told him I did a video on the strawberry refreshers, but like, he was like, you need to try it with lemonade. So I'm gonna try it with lemonade. I know it's gonna taste good because it already tastes good without lemonade. So just imagine with lemonade, I think give more flavor and never have like that watery taste I was talking about. But it was still good. I'm just ready to eat it. Like, I like my mask. Give me some more. But I've been spending my money on everything. Y'all, my stuff coming in for my YouTube channel, and it's looking so good. I just don't want to show y'all until I get all my stuff finished, like everything that I want for my room / studio thing to be finished. But it's looking really cute right now, so I'm liking it. Okay, right here. Thank you. Okay, so I just realized I asked for a large and I didn't get that.
1 second. You said you wanted a large one?
But I didn't pay for it, so just it's whatever. Still a good day. Still healthy. It looks different, kind of though. They ain't even put strawberries in here this time. I guess they said there's some lemonade in there. But it looks good. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna drink this up there. But now I'm here to get my food. I already told you guys where I was going. So let's see when I get there. And keep this cup because you guys, one of my next videos I'm doing, I'll be making the pink drink and ordering this stuff to get it. So it's crazy. This look good. Yeah. So you can see it on there. Strawberry Froster, add lemonade. See you guys when I get there. I'm at McDonald's and why not turn it up? I'm just waiting to let me go. I already know what I'm getting. They're gonna give me a burger. Yeah, this stuff. Yeah, this looking so good. So good. I think I'm gonna try it. I don't care. Oh yeah, that tastes really good. Try it. Try it with a lemonade. Oh my god, that's really good. Thanks, brother. Good tip. So really, they're just like pink strawberry lemonade. Yeah, still good though. Uh-oh, somehow I just took a break from washing it. So, what's gonna eat in the car? Well, I need to go in the house and get me some hand sanitizer because I don't have any more in here and I'll be cleaning my hands for it. So yeah, I'll be back once I get me some hand sanitizer. Okay. We're done with some hand sanitizer. No. Fall on my hands. Put it all on there. Get it all in there. So here was on the video. So, got me a sweet tea. And got me a burger. It be so good. Man, make your phone in. How should I do it? Let's see. Maybe I should have the Starbucks logo in the front. It's funny because I let y'all watch me make me fall on the other side. Oh, yeah, I like when I do that. Okay, got my phone now. So I told him to put no onions on there. Forgot to tell him no pickle, but let's see. Let me get my fries out of here. Yeah, I'll fix the camera like this so y'all can see. This they didn't help me. And what else? I'm taking pickles on. Got ketchup on my hand. I need another napkin. I'm waiting for my packages to come in. I be waiting. I think I'm just rubbing it back on my hand. Anyway, so delicious. It's the only thing I get from McDonald's. They give me a quarter pounder burger because it tastes real. And it's so good. Y'all ready? I'm good. I'll let y'all get some first. How that lady doing whole things. Okay. Man, I missed the pickle. Oh, this ain't taste bad. Shout out to the McDonald's workers. They get your order right. Cause sometimes you don't. Shout out to saying that she said I eat too much. She knows she eat just as much as me. Yeah. So, Riverdale just came back out. And I can't watch it. Uh-oh. Anyway, Riverdale just came back out. And it's hard for me to watch it because Archie did died. Maybe. Oh, I'm so sorry if I just ruined it for you. You haven't started yet because alright, some text messages about the Money Heist video. They said I ruined it for them. So, yeah. So, like, I guess the first 2 episodes gonna be real sad. So I couldn't watch it because I was crying. I felt like it hurt me way more than it hurt Archie. Can't lie. Yeah, I feel so good about myself. I've been getting in shape, working out and stuff. I'm so proud of myself. Until I eat something like this. For real. I don't really go out to eat no more. I've been eating at home. Healthy stuff. Oh, I don't need to drink that tea again. Because I just been drinking water. Okay, yeah, I can't have both of them. Reading the text message, but you know, I'm really missing my show right now. I don't know what's going on. I just can't read the comments before I watch it. Y'all, McDonald's got the best fries. The right amount of salt on it. And look, if you go to McDonald's, well, I eat my fries with some type of salsa, but I just don't have none in the car. And that's what I asked, but go to McDonald's and ask for saltless fries, like no fries, no salt in them. And get some sauce. It tastes just as good. Like, cause they do put a lot of salt in there sometimes. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm bad. It feels so good. I'm in love with it. That's why I try not to go out to eat, because I be falling in love with food. And I have to keep eating it. Now I gotta work out again, because I ate bad. When I eat bad, I have to work out just as longer than I usually do at night. My exercise 2 times a day. Yeah. So Boosie was going up on somebody on Instagram. I seen it on shade room. I'm trying to figure out who it was. I didn't see no name. I thought I read it too fast. I don't know who it is. Yeah. Yeah. I really should have went when they gave me this. Should have said I asked for a large, cause I really want some of these. I already ate cheese. Uh-oh. That's the last thing I do. Okay, so I was saying I should have got large, but then I've been saying supposed to do a little cup test, and it was like the small cup fit into all the cups. So I'm just like, well, this really is large, because they really do fit into all the cups. Like the smallest cup fit into the medium, And I'm like, man, you tricking us. I think it's the ice. But I only think it's the drinks. I don't really think it's like them frappuccinos and stuff because they don't be having like ice in it like that. So. Yeah, I really want to know what's going on my TV show. Let's see, y'all gonna be seeing back-to-back mukbangs. I might post this one first, but one day this week, I feel like Monday. Did I post it on this week? Whatever day it was, I did okay, you guys. I did Chick-fil-A mukbang, and Caleb was in there a little bit. He didn't want to eat. All he wanted to do was drink drink my soda. So I ordered a lot of stuff from Chick-fil-A. Whatever it was. I can come back to this cup like there's something in there. Maybe I can pour a little bit in this cup. Oh man. I can't eat out for a week. I'm missing all my stuff. It's for you guys, that's what I'm gonna say. Some tea in this cup, it'll look just as pretty. Okay, that's enough. Ain't enough but sugar in there anyway. I did. Oh, don't spill these. This Swiss cups. This ain't as good as it used to be. McDonald's used to be real good. Anyway, I'm gonna say, I didn't want this video to be very, very long. But every time I eat, I'm just like, why don't I record when I eat? So now I'm just trying not to go to the same places to eat the same things because y'all gonna be seeing me the same thing. That's why I ain't going back to Taco Bell or McDonald's or Chick-fil-A when you see it. I'm gonna be trying this vegan restaurant. Hopefully I like it so I can try everything on the menu for you guys because I'm trying not to eat stuff like this. I really haven't been eating stuff like this only when I record the video. So I'm very proud of myself for that because usually I eat out every day. Well, almost every day. And I will always eat Chick-fil-A. No cap. I love Chick-fil-A. So I'm doing really good. Exercising twice a day. I can see a difference. Like, I'm really loving it. And everybody's taking pictures and stuff. But I'm waiting because I want my pictures, they're going to be fire. New hair look. Like, it's not going to be black because, you know, I think I told you in one video I wanted to get some color hair. Not too crazy color, but some color. Not no brown or blonde either because that's just like not really. This is like natural. Anyway, so it's a real cute new hair, new body, new fits. I'm happy, y'all. My skin cleared up. My face has started breaking out, so I'm happy it's kind of fixing. I was drinking like everybody know my favorite drinks are Coke and Dr. Pepper. I love dark drinks, so I was drinking those like crazy, and it wasn't doing good for my body or my skin. Like I was getting bumps. I was like, bro, where I get bumps from? Because I never really get bumps. And so now I just cut all of it. I was just drinking only water. Yeah, only water. I wasn't even drinking no cranberry juice, and I love cranberry juice. All the cranberry cream, grape cream, apple, pineapple. Yeah. So I've just been drinking water. So now I drink a lot of water to flush this out. Can't do it. So yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the XO. Like the XO. Because I love y'all. I'm so lame. Why I just did it? Anyway, it don't matter. Be you. Be beautiful. I'm trying to think of something to say when I leave or in the beginning. Let me see. Okay. Be you. Stay true. The XO gang will always love you. Okay, hold on. Cut. Let me do another take. This is the end of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to join the XO gang. I love you guys. Thanks for increasing my subscribers. I'm really happy about that. Don't forget to be you, be true, and the XO gang always loves you. Okay, I just kidding. Let's go. Why did it? Okay, bye you guys.